Hola, this is GCSE Spanish Foundation practice. This is the writing paper from 2021, the AQA board. So let's get into it. The first question you get is a picture and it says, "Decides enviar esta foto por WhatsApp a un amigo argentino." It's you decide to send this photo by WhatsApp to an Argentinian friend. You don't need to know that. It says, ¿Qué hay en la foto? And that means, what is there in the photo? ¿Qué hay en la foto? You do need to know that. So what does ¿Qué hay en la foto mean? What is there in the photo? And if you want to get to know it well, you should be able to do it the other way round. So how do you say, what is there in the photo? ¿Qué hay en la foto? Then it says, escribe 4 frases en español. And that means write 4 phrases, 4 sentences in Spanish. You need to understand that. So what does it mean again? Escribe 4 frases en español. That means write 4 sentences in Spanish. To know it well, you should be able to produce that. So how do you say write 4 sentences in Spanish? Escribe 4 frases en español. You have to understand the question. Now let's go and do the answers. I can only give you ejemplos. So the first one is, hay 11 guitarras colgadas en la pared. La pared means wall and colgadas means hanging. So there are 11 guitars hanging on the wall. The next one is, un grupo de alumnos cantan algo con su profesora. Okay, profesora is clearly teacher. Cantan means they are singing. Okay, they sing. Cantan algo, they're singing something. And alumnos are pupils. So a group of pupils are singing something with their teacher. Next one. Las chicas llevan blusas, means the girls are wearing blouses, y faldas, and skirts. Las chicas llevan blusas y faldas. Mientras que is a great word you should learn. It means while. Mientras que los chicos, the boys, los chicos llevan camisas. That's the boys are wearing shirts, corbatas, ties, y pantalones, and trousers. The whole thing is, las chicas llevan blusas y faldas, mientras que los chicos llevan camisas, corbatas, y pantalones. And your last answer is, todo el mundo, and that means everybody, todo el mundo parece feliz, seems happy. Porque la profesora y los chicos sonríen, because the teacher and the children are smiling. Todo el mundo parece feliz porque la profesora y los chicos sonríen. Now let's learn that vocabulary. What does cantan mean? Cantan means they sing or they're singing. And what does algo mean? Algo means something. So how do you say they're singing something? Cantan algo. What does colgadas mean? Colgadas means hanging. And what does la pared mean? La pared means the wall. So how do you say hanging on the wall? Colgadas en la pared. What does alumnos mean? Alumnos means pupils, and you can remember that if you know that alumni are former pupils in English. You might not know that word, alumni. Alumno means pupil. So how do you say a group of pupils are singing something? Un grupo de alumnos cantan algo. What does blusas y faldas mean? Blusas y faldas means blouses and skirts. Blusas y faldas. What about camisas, corbatas y pantalones? What does that mean? Camisas are shirts, corbatas are ties, y pantalones are trousers. What does llevan mean? Llevan means they wear. And how do you say they are wearing or they wear blouses and skirts? Llevan blusas y faldas. How do you say they wear shirts, ties and trousers? Llevan camisas, corbatas y pantalones. Now, do you remember how to say hanging on the wall? Colgadas en la pared. And what does hay 11 guitarras mean? There are 11 guitars. So now, how do you say there are 11 guitars hanging on the wall? Hay 11 guitarras colgadas en la pared. What does las chicas mean? Las chicas means girls, the girls. And what does mientras que mean? Mientras que means while. So how do you say the girls wear blouses and skirts? Las chicas llevan blusas y faldas. And how do you say while the boys wear shirts, ties and trousers? Mientras que los chicos llevan camisas, corbatas y pantalones. What does parece mean? Parece means seems. And what does todo el mundo mean? Todo el mundo means everybody. And what does feliz mean? Feliz means happy. So how do you say everybody seems happy? Todo el mundo parece feliz. What does sonríen mean? Sonríen means they smile or they are smiling. And what does por qué mean? Por qué means because. So how do you say everybody seems happy? Todo el mundo parece feliz. And how do you say because the teacher and the children are smiling? Porque la profesora y los chicos sonríen. To finish off this exercise, I would like you to try to translate these sentences from English to Spanish. If you can't do it, go back through the video and listen again and take notes if you have to. Try to remember the vocabulary. Gracias y suerte.